Here are some steps to set your booking, orders, and day tasks on the order calendar on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account at tool44.com. If you are a new user, click on the Sign Up button and provide the required information to create your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and click on the Login button. 2. Once you are logged in, navigate to the left side menu and click on the Sell tab. This tab is usually represented by a shopping cart or a similar icon. 3. Inside the Sell tab, you will find a list of options. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on the Order Calendar option. This will open the Order Calendar page. 4. The Order Calendar page will display a calendar where you can manage your events, bookings, and orders. You will be able to see all your events, including those coming from your marketplace and custom event. 5. Below the calendar, you will find a list of your events. The list will show the details of your events, such as the date, description, and any associated information. 6. To view events for a specific date, click on that date on the calendar. The list of events will be updated to show only the events for the selected date. 7. If you want to remove the date filter and view all events again, click on the cross icon, usually an X symbol, in the blue box indicating the selected date. This will remove the date filter and display all events in the list. 8. To add a custom event, order, or booking to the calendar, click on the Add Event, Order, Booking button. This button is usually located above or below the calendar. 9. Fill in the details of the event, including the date, description, and any other relevant information. Provide as much information as necessary to accurately represent your event. 10. After entering the details, click on the Create button to create your event. The event will be added to the order calendar. Congratulations! You have successfully created your event on the order calendar. You can now view and manage your bookings, orders, and day tasks on the tool44.com platform. By following these steps, you should be able to set your booking, orders, and day tasks on the order calendar on tool44.com. This will help you keep track of your events and manage your business activities effectively.